Write that down on your docket.
Justice interest that would be furthered by modification of what is already a very low cash.
Wrongful jailing is $500 or $5,000 a day. I'm cool with it. I need the paycheck.
This is the expedited misdemeanor docket in Butler County, Kansas on June 5, 2026. I'm David A. Rickey, District Judge, filling in for Judge Joe Lee, who's absent today. I see someone being seated at the detention facility Zoom location. Who is located at the detention center's Zoom?
Keith Brundage.
Thank you for stating your name, sir.
I got a June 10th and a June 6th, and there's no Augusta in here. I got a criminal trespass and a police brutality from Augusta. That's not on the docket, and it should be.
All right.
I've already filled out the paperwork and everything with Augusta.
We may or may not address that in due course. I'm going to go ahead and call the case of State of Kansas versus Heath Aaron Brundage, case number 2026 CR 169. Darren Patterson appearing as defense counsel.
I don't want David Patterson as my offense for Darren. I mean, he's not my lawyer.
All right. Jared Regier appears on behalf of the state of Kansas.
He's $40,000 of crooked.
Have you even talked to Mr. Patterson about your case?
I'm not going to talk to him. He was trying to railroad me.
All right. The current charges before the court in this case are criminal trespass, 2 counts.
And the evidence?
Not guilty plea was entered at first appearance on May the 18th. And this expedited hearing was set.
Not guilty again.
I understand not guilty plea has already been entered.
Trial.
On behalf of Mr. Brundage. I'm still a little unclear about your dissatisfaction with Mr. Patterson and extremely
I'm defending myself.
Attorney. Mr. Brundage?
I'm defending myself.
The court advises against that.
I know you do, but I don't care.
If the court were to relieve Mr. Patterson, are you asking for...
I'm not going to let you make another choice just like you made Patterson. I am defending myself. I have enough knowledge. I've got 30 years experience in being in the court system. I'm very confident.
Okay. You understand that these are Class B misdemeanors.
And I understand you've held me longer than...
By up to 6 months in the county jail and up to a $1,000 fine, or both, as to each count.
How long can you hold for a misdemeanor? Because you think you've already held me long enough. That's wrongful jailing.
Have you just failed to make bond in this case?
I'm homeless.
Okay.
Have you failed to have a heart?
You've got an extremely low bond in this case.
You gave me $700 cash.
$750 cash or professional surety is your current bond.
I have no money, and I was living along the railroad tracks, sir. You have no heart. I understand. I understand that totally. But I am homeless, and I'm not going to have anybody who gives a fuck to help me. That's just how it is.
Language. Just to watch your language, Mr. Brundage. You don't need to go there.
Have a heart. You don't have to go there.
Mr. Patterson, do you have any remarks at this?
I don't want Patterson involved in anything.
Just be quiet for a moment. I'm addressing Mr. Patterson.
Your Honor, I did go out to the jail. I did attempt to meet with Mr. Brundage. We had a very brief conversation and it ended with Mr. Brundage saying he wanted to represent himself, did not want to discuss the case with me at all. When I was talking with him, though, and reviewing the case, I had a concern of competency, but I can tell the court he didn't talk with me enough for me to ferret that out and make a final determination myself whether I thought there was an issue or not. So I can't report to the court whether there is or is not a competency issue, but I do know he wants to represent himself.
Nice try.
Right. Okay, just a minute, Mr. Brundage. Mr. Regier, as prosecuting attorney appearing here, are you aware of the pendency of any other cases involving Mr. Brundage, which are currently pending in the Butler County District Court?
Augusta. I filled out police brutality paperwork.
Mr. Regier?
Not at this time, Your Honor. It would appear that another case did proceed to sentencing, but before District Judge Crum approximately 2 weeks prior on May 19th.
Can I ask you a question, Ricky?
And
That'd be
forgive me,
Judge
Your Honor,
Ricky,
that
Mr.
would appear to
Brundage.
be May 19th of 2025. I misspoke. I apologize.
All right.
What about this fraudulent fake protection orders that were signed by CMC, which is Court Magistrate Clerk, which should have been signed by my parents that I received from Jeffries? Can you explain that to me?
CMC very well may refer to
Court Magistrate
Chad
Clerk.
M. Crum, District Judge. His initials appear on many
My
documents.
parents should have been on them. That's how those things work.
All right. What is clear to the court at this point is that Mr. Brundage does not want Mr. Patterson to represent him.
Hell no.
He has made a decision, which is his constitutional right to do, generally, to represent himself, despite the court's admonition for him not to go that route. You're going to be held to the standard of any other attorney would be in the presentation of evidence, following procedural rules, and trying your case if it comes to that. You understand
Okay,
that?
just one more thing. I want to go ahead and ask for a subpoena on that one that he was talking about with Augusta. I need a subpoena on video, witness statements. Hold on.
Okay.
Video, witness statements, and management of Walmart, and also Facebook, Twitter, etc., YouTube, WhatsApp. I need all that.
Okay. If you're talking about some Augusta Municipal Court matter, Mr.
Police
Brundage, is that
brutality.
what you're talking about?
Police brutality. Officer Weber.
Okay, you understand that that would be pending most certainly in the Augusta Municipal Court.
It was supposed
That
to
is
be
not in
now.
Butler County District Court.
It was supposed to be that, not you.
Okay, so.
And there's also a Butler County sheriff officer named Smith that put the cuffs on too tight and they almost broke my wrist. And they have denied me the paperwork 3 times now for police brutality. And I want to file it for that. It's not officer unbecoming. It's police brutality.
Right, that's something you can handle with the sheriff's office.
No,
Again,
they
that's
won't do
not
it. That's what I'm
currently a
saying,
matter
Judge
before
Ricky.
this
They will
court.
not give me the paperwork. They will not do anything. You're going to have to force their hand.
All right. The question really is at this point, Mr. Brundage, with all of the challenges that you're currently raising, what do we need to do with this case? You're representing yourself.
Set it for
You
trial.
committed a not guilty plea.
Set it for trial.
Okay. Since you have 2 counts of Class B misdemeanor, you're entitled to a jury
Aren't you
trial.
going to OR me out now?
Is that what you're requesting, Mr. Brundage?
What?
Are you requesting a jury trial or a trial to the court?
Whichever's going to be the fastest because you don't have no evidence.
Well, the decision really shouldn't be made on the quickest.
How about we put
way
it
you can get
pending?
into
Let's see
court.
that other one pop up.
See what other pop up.
That police brutality with Augusta. Put this one pending and put that one through.
All right. A court trial would be faster to schedule, Mr. Brundage.
Let's do a jury so you're actually on the line.
Well, actually, I think you'd be on the line.
No, you're on the line too as a judge.
All right. You sure this is the route you want to go,
Yep.
Mr. Brundage?
Sure, that's the route you want to go with me?
No attorney
That is correct, sir.
whose advice
I'm not being
and assistance
railroaded
would be
like
very
some.
helpful to you.
I'm not being railroaded though, like some slave in Africa that's getting off the boat. It's not happening.
Okay.
That's what Patterson's whole intentions were.
All right. I'm going to address the court's assistant here.
Just
Jeff?
set that other one for real soon because I want that police brutality in Augusta to come through.
The
If
next
you're gonna
misdemeanor
OR me
jury
on
trial
some
date would be-
misdemeanors.
be
If you're not
quiet,
gonna OR
Mr.
me.
Brundage. I'm trying to communicate here. Jen, do you have a misdemeanor jury trial date you can?
We do have a pre-trial on August 3rd with jury beginning August 5th.
Okay.
Pre-trial is at 9 a.m. and so is the jury trial.
Very well. Pretrial conference will be conducted in this case August 3, 2026.
What about
9
the other
o'clock
one? Can you ask the
a.m.
clerk on that?
Jury trial set to begin August 5, 2026 at 9 o'clock a.m.
Patterson's not allowed.
I've relieved Mr. Patterson in your case, Mr. Brundage. At this point, the record reflects that you're representing yourself.
How can a $40,000 lawyer represent me?
I don't know what you mean by that. And
He's $40,000 for a good case. I'm nobody. I got no money.
he was appointed to represent you because you
From
were found to
Sedgwick?
be indigent.
From Sedgwick.
What?
From Sedgwick, he's not a Butler lawyer.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. His cousin is.
Okay. Mr. Brundage, were you receiving any mental health services prior to
Nope,
being arrested
sure
on
ain't.
this case?
Not gonna take anything. Don't need no medical check. I'm good. Got a clear mind like no other.
All right, the court has established appropriate pretrial conference and jury trial dates based on the defendant's plea
You're not gonna OR me.
not guilty.
It's all about money with you. Can't help a homeless guy out.
Mr. Brundage, the court's not inclined to modify your bond. It is an extremely low bond.
That is an extremely wrongful imprisonment then. I'm filing charges.
You do whatever you have the legal
I'm
right
filing
to do,
charges.
Brundage. I
Write that
reviewed
down on your document.
situation. I see no societal interests
Write
or
that down on your docket.
justice interests that would be furthered by modification of what is already a very low cash.
Wrongful jailing is $500 or $5,000 a day. I'm cool with it. I need the paycheck.
So bond remains the same. The record reflects that Mr. Brundage is representing himself.
Your job's on the line,
Conference and
not
jury trial
mine.
dates.
Your
Be
job's
quiet.
on the line, not mine. Have a good day, sir.
All right. Mr. Aguirre, did you have anything else that you wish to make part of this record?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. And at this point, the Heath Brundage matter is in recess. We'll move on to other matters.
Judge, the deputy seems to have something.
Yes?
I'm trying to state my case. He's trying to railroad.
Okay, I can't hear Court Security 3 right now because he's muted.
The pretrial conference was 8/3 and the jury trial was 8/5, correct?
That's the dates I was given, 9 o'clock a.m. settings on both.
Courtroom E.
It would be before the magistrate court,
All right.
yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.